Man, listen to me. The best thing, the best way to start the morning is with a smoothie. Think about it. Maybe you want to be healthy, yeah? So you will eat carrots so you can see well. So then, what will you do? You have to chop, 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 chop like a rabbit. But if you're smart, you can drink it. And you don't need much. All you need is a blender. Listen to me well. This will change your life, believe me. In this video, I will show you the best smoothie in the world is my favorite. It's simple, just banana and yogurt. Now I can see that these guys gave me less yogurt that I paid for. What's happening, man? What's happening? Where is my yogurt? They took my yogurt. Alright. Do you know the difference between drinkable yogurt and yogurt? You can eat both, but you can drink only one. Two medium bananas for today. When they are naked, they look even smaller. Now regarding bananas, people are having different tastes. Some people want it more green. I like it more well done. For some people this is disgusting, but for me it's the perfect one. If you don't have a knife, you can use anything that you find. Now this is really hard. If you make it for somebody else, you could even wash your hands. If not, it's your coronavirus, so doesn't matter. Just put everything there. After this very difficult process, if you have space, you can add a little bit more yogurt. Sometimes it's good to put ice, depends how you like the texture. But in the same time, wait, I'm eating some pieces of banana like leftovers. It's expensive, yeah? If you like, you can add a cube of ice. I don't have cubes because this, look what they gave me. I wanted a cube of ice and now I have to go to learn geometry again. You can add ice, it's something nice in terms of texture, but it can dilute the taste, so it's up to you. A good option is to cut the fruits in advance and put them to freeze. Then you have, like, instead of ice geometrical figures, you will have ice fruits, which is even better. Another difficult procedure is to put the cover. Start it, baby. And it's done. Look at this, man. This is just perfect. Choose a color fast. Blue? Okay. I wanted red. Man, I'm telling you, this is so good. Just take a little bit. Take. It's very simple. You can do it fast. You can do it good. And you can drink it. I'm telling you, man, there is no drink better than this.